Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. This SUV came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I do see a small chip right here. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. This hood is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. Let's move on to the driver, fender, and wheel. The fender is good, and also the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Okay, I do see that there's a little scratch in the back door right here. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's have a look at the back of the SUV now. The trunk does have a scratch right here. The back bumper looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches back there at all. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now let's move on to the passenger side doors. Okay, I do see that there's a scratch on the door right here, and a scratch on the back door. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks good, no dents, no scratches on it, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now let's take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Driver's side is in good condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Alright, everything there looks fine. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.